International trade has become a crucial part of the global economy, with the rise of globalization and technological advancements. Import-export businesses have become a popular way for entrepreneurs to tap into the vast potential of international trade. However, for beginners, navigating the world of international trade and import-export business can be intimidating. In this video, we will provide an overview of international trade and business for beginners, including the basics of import-export business. International trade refers to the exchange of goods and services between different countries. International trade is important for several reasons. Firstly, it allows countries to access a wider range of goods and services than they could produce domestically, increasing consumer choice and satisfaction. Finally, international trade can reduce the impact of domestic economic fluctuations, as it allows countries to access a wider range of markets, reducing their dependence on the domestic market. Basics of import-export business. Import-export business involves the buying and selling of goods and services across international borders. As a beginner in the import-export business, there are several key steps that you need to follow. Research. The first step in starting an import-export business is to conduct thorough research. You need to understand the market demand for the goods and services you plan to trade, as well as the competition in the market. This will help you identify the most profitable products to trade and the most lucrative markets to target. Choose your product. Once you have identified a profitable market, you need to choose the product that you will trade. This could be a product that you already produce, or it could be a product that you import from another country. When choosing your product, you need to consider the demand for the product, the cost of production or purchase, and the potential profit margins. Find suppliers and buyers. After you have chosen your product, you need to find suppliers and buyers. You can find suppliers through trade shows, online directories, or by contacting trade associations. When looking for buyers, you can use online marketplaces, trade shows, or by contacting potential customers directly. Finding reliable import and export buyers and suppliers is a crucial part of any international trade business. By utilizing online marketplaces, attending trade shows, working with trade associations, using social media, and utilizing government resources, you can increase your chances of finding the right partners for your business. In 10 Data Customs Data System, there are many ways to help you discover more buyers. For example, use T-Discovery function to search product or company name. You will find many kinds of importers or exporters. Also, you can check the company contact and profile. On the other hand, the T-Info is the customs database. Choose the country you need and write the product. You will get the detailed customs data. In detailed customs data, you can check import or export. 10 Data also support analysis reports, which you can download to doing market analysis. It's a useful way to help you discover more buyers. Understand the legal requirements. Before you start trading, you need to understand the legal requirements for importing and exporting goods. This includes understanding the regulations and procedures for customs clearance, import and export licenses, and taxes and tariffs. Arrange transportation and logistics. Once you have secured your suppliers and buyers, you need to arrange transportation and logistics for the goods. This includes selecting the mode of transportation, such as air or sea, and arranging for customs clearance and delivery. Manage risks. Finally, it is important to manage the risks associated with international trade. This includes managing currency exchange risks, political risks, and the risk of non-payment by buyers. Conclusion. International trade and import-export business offer a great opportunity for entrepreneurs to tap into the global economy and expand their businesses. As a beginner in the import-export business, it is important to conduct thorough research, choose your product wisely, find reliable suppliers and buyers, understand the legal requirements, arrange transportation and logistics, and manage risks effectively. With the right approach, the import-export business can be a profitable and rewarding venture.